As customers' needs have evolved, people want more just-in-time inventory, and they want you to be able to provide a more complete product. We really try to talk to the customer and have a full understanding of what their problems and issues are, because we really believe that we're here to solve problems.
One of the good things about doing business with a company like Schupan is that we're willing to invest in pieces of equipment like this. This is a CNC tube bender. Customer approached us with a problem that they were unable to fill and find a vendor to be able to fill that need for them. We purchased this piece of equipment, we've trained our staff, we've put together a knowledgeable team that can support this piece of equipment. One of the big parts to support this CNC tube bender is the roamer arm. Okay, it's a portable CMM. That roamer arm and this piece of equipment communicate directly with each other. We can run a part, take it into our quality lab, do some measuring, and allow feedback given right directly back to the machine to make its adjustments to reduce things like scrap, reduce setup time, waste, all those things that can be done because of that communication between that roamer arm and the CNC tube bender.
This is a custom extrusion for an electrical box for one of our customers. It's a multi-step manufacturing process. It gets cut to length, it gets machined, it gets stamped. The challenge with this has been a just-in-time inventory within a dynamic demand situation. In other words, the customer needs it when they need it at a moment's notice. So another part of the solution has been to stocking it ahead of the customer's demand. So I can see their demand, I can see their on-hand quantities, so we know how to plan our manufacturing ahead of their orders. And the way that we do that is by integrating our system, our manufacturing system, with a customer's demand portal, so we can proactively plan our manufacturing.
So this particular job right here, this is an expedited job. It was kind of a drop-in that we needed to expedite for our fabrication department. Dave on the plate saw here just finished cutting some metal. He's cleaning the plate saw off. He's got the raw product on here to actually produce these blanks. He'll actually go through, he'll make a trim cut of the raw material to make sure it's squared up, and then he's going to start cutting blanks like this to a tight tolerance. From there, these parts are going to go immediately down to Mazak 4 in our fabrication department. There's a machine waiting, parts are going to go in there, and they're going to start making finished parts right then.
Hey Brent, can I have one of those parts? Oh, it looks great, thank you. I just took this part out of our Mazak. It's a very special part to us. It was a collaborative effort between us and the customer. It took a lot of team-focused energy between the customer and us to try to make this part. The issue was there was a burr on the intersecting holes that go here and here on the part. That burr needed to be removed in a controlled process. That controlled process was hard for us to achieve, and many other vendors of theirs failed to achieve that. So they came to Schupan and asked if we can solve their problem. We tried many different ways to fix it. Different uses of the machine, different products, and we ended up finding a solution with a dry ice machine that we put integrated into our Mazak. With that integration, it helped us control the process and repeat it each and every time. That burr didn't stand a chance. We finished it off, we removed the burr, we solved the problem, and ultimately gave the customer what they needed.
Most customers nowadays want to just assemble. They want to purchase a part complete. Because of Schupan's vertical integration, we can do that under one roof and provide a complete part to our customer. So this is a custom extrusion that we do for one of our preferred partners all the time. It used to be produced with a process called metal spinning, which is very labor intensive, it's not very cost effective, and has long lead times. What we're able to do is take that problem and create a custom solution for our partner by turning this into a custom extrusion that we can then take and put on the ring bender to put the arch in it. We then take it inside the weld shop to weld together, and then we perform the final steps before we ship it complete to the customer. The benefits we were able to get out of this is a better product or a better cost in a just-in-time environment.
We've had problems in the past, like if you grind it too much, that corner's gone. There still needs to be the shape there. We just want the edge off.
The three things that I think that we really stand for are doing the right thing, expecting the best, and finding a better way.
From aerospace to medical to office environments, we know metals and plastics inside and out.